Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a chef.
Let's start drawing.
First I draw a chef. Let's draw the shape of her head with her 2 ears. Then I draw her eyes. Her nose, and her smiling mouth. Now let's draw her hair with a bun like this. Then I draw a chef's hat on the top of her head. Excellent! Now let's draw her body. I draw her arms like this. Amazing! In this hand, I draw a kitchen spoon. Now I draw kitchen utensils. I draw a heat-resistant glove. Then I draw cutlery, a spoon, a fork, and a knife. I continue with a kitchen knife and a rolling pin. Then I draw a pot. And finally, a frying pan. Wonderful!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I colored the chef. I used this cream marker for her skin. Then I used light red for her mouth. I color her hair with brown. Her chef's uniform stays white. I colored the kitchen spoon in her hand light brown. For the glove, I use red. Then I colored the cutlery with gray. For the knife, I use brown and gray. I color the rolling pin with orange. For the pot, I use yellow and green. Finally, I color the frying pan with blue and purple. Very nice!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.